In this video, I'll show you how to use a Paysafecard on Fortnite. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is log into your Fortnite account. If you don't have one, register and sign up. And once you've done that, log in using your credentials and go here and click on account. Okay, after doing so, clicking your account, what will happen is, okay, on your account settings, you have to click on the payment management option on the left side of the dashboard. So here, this is where you can use your Paysafecard. If the option of is not showing that the Paysafecard right here, if it's not showing, what you need to do is just click on and add a payment method right here. A credit card, alright? That's where you need to put your Paysafecard details right here. And then after doing so, all you're gonna do is add funds to your wallet, alright? And that's how you use your Paysafecard on Fortnite. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next video.